If you want to build wealth from scratch, watch this video and learn the fundamentals of investing for beginners. Investing for beginners, where to start and what to know. Welcome to our guide on investing for beginners. Investing can be a great way to grow your wealth over time, but it can also be overwhelming and confusing, especially if you're just starting out. In this video, we'll cover the basics of investing, including where to start and what to know. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to be taking a look into how to invest, where to invest, what to know while investing, and the steps for investing. What is investing? At its core, investing is the act of putting money into something with the expectation of receiving a return. This can take many forms, from buying stocks or bonds to investing in real estate or starting your own business. The goal is to put your money to work for you and generate a profit over time. Before we continue, please hit the bell icon to subscribe if you are new to this channel, so you won't miss the informative videos we release in the future. Why invest? So why should you invest? There are several reasons. First, investing can help you grow your wealth faster than just relying on your income. Over time, your investments can earn compound interest or appreciate in value, which can lead to significant returns. Second, investing can help you beat inflation. If you keep all your money in cash or a savings account, you may actually be losing money over time due to inflation. Investing in assets that have the potential to appreciate in value can help you keep up with or even outpace inflation. Finally, investing can help you achieve your financial goals, whether that's saving for retirement, buying a home, or starting a business. By making smart investments and sticking to a long-term strategy, you can increase your chances of reaching those goals. Types of investments. There are many different types of investments you can choose from, each with its own set of risks and potential rewards. Here are a few common types of investments you might consider. Stocks. Stocks represent ownership in a company, and buying stocks can give you a share in that company's profits and losses. Stocks are generally considered riskier than other types of investments, but they also have the potential for high returns. Bonds. Bonds are essentially loans you make to a company or government entity. When you buy a bond, you're lending your money to that entity in exchange for regular interest payments and the return of your principal when the bond matures. Bonds are generally considered less risky than stocks, but they also offer lower returns. Real estate. Real estate investing involves buying a property with the intention of earning income from it, either through rental income or appreciation in value. Real estate can be a good way to diversify your portfolio and generate passive income, but it also requires a significant upfront investment. Mutual funds. Mutual funds are a type of investment vehicle that pools money from many investors to purchase a diversified portfolio of stocks, bonds, or other assets. Mutual funds are a good option for beginners who want to diversify their investments and minimize risk. How to get started. So now that you know the basics of investing, how do you actually get started? Here are a few steps you can take. Step 1. Set your goals. Before you start investing, it's important to set clear goals for what you want to achieve. Do you want to save for your retirement? Buy a house? Start a business? Once you know your goals, you can tailor your investment strategy to help you achieve them. Step 2. Choose your investments. Based on your goals and risk tolerance, you can choose the investments that are right for you. Consider working with a financial advisor or doing your own research to find investments that align with your goals and values. Step 3. Open an account. Once you've chosen your investments, you'll need to open a brokerage or investment account to start buying and selling securities. There are many online brokerages that offer low fees and user-friendly platforms for beginners. Step 4. Decide on your investment strategy. Now that you've determined your goals, time horizon, and risk tolerance, you can begin to develop an investment strategy that aligns with your objectives. There are several investment options available for investment. Consider consulting with a financial advisor or doing research on your own to determine which investment options align with your investment strategy and goals. Step 5. Monitor and adjust your investments as needed. Investing is not a set it and forget it process. It's important to monitor your investments regularly to ensure they are performing as expected and adjust your strategy as needed. Rebalancing your portfolio or adjusting the mix of investments is an important part of monitoring your investments. Rebalancing involves selling off assets that have performed well and investing in assets that are underperforming. This helps to maintain the appropriate level of risk in your portfolio and can help prevent significant losses during market downturns. It's also important to review your investments periodically to ensure they still align with your goals and risk tolerance. For example, if your investment goals or financial situation change, you may need to adjust your investment strategy accordingly. Step 6. Stay disciplined and avoid emotional investing. Investing can be an emotional process, particularly during times of market volatility. It's important to stay disciplined and avoid making investment decisions based on emotions. Avoid the temptation to sell off investments during a market downturn or to invest heavily in a hot stock based on hype or speculation. Stick to your investment strategy and remember that investing is a long-term process. By staying disciplined and avoiding emotional investing, you can increase your chances of achieving your financial goals. In summary, investing can be an important part of building wealth and achieving your financial goals. By understanding your goals, time horizon, and risk tolerance, developing an investment strategy, monitoring and adjusting your investments, and staying disciplined, you can increase your chances of success in the world of investing. That's all for today's video. Feel free to share any helpful information in the comments below. Don't forget to like the video and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any new videos from our channel. Thanks for watching and see you all soon.